Namaste to all. My name is Gauri MK from class 7th subject Maths. Today I am going to do seminar on Maths subject, chapter number 2, Integers. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successful rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Jack's score in 5 successful rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Total marks got by Jack equals to 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10 equals to 25 minus 15 plus 25 equals to 35. Thus 35 marks are got by Jack in the quiz. Next question. Mohan deposited rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdrawing rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdraw the amount from the account it represented by the negative integers, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in the Mohan's account after the withdrawing. Solution. Deposited amount equals to rupees 2000 and withdraw amount equals to 1642. Balance equals to 2000 minus 1642 equals to 358. Thus the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawing is rupees 358. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From point B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west by with the integers? Will you represent her final position from A? According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by positive integers, but she moves in opposite direction, means Rita moves west is represented by negative integers. Next question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. 5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 7 0 3 minus 3. Taking row, 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 equals to 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7 equals to minus 7 plus 7 equals to 0. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3 equals to 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Taking column, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0 equals to 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3 equals to minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3 equals to 7 minus 7 equals to 0. Taking diagonals, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 equals to 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0 equals to minus 6. This box is not a magic square because all the sums are not equal. Second one. 1 minus 10, 0 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 6, 4 minus 7. Solution. Taking rows, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0 equals to 1 minus 10 equals to minus 9. Minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 equals to minus 7. Minus 2 equals to minus 9. Minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7 equals to minus 2. Minus 7 equals to minus 9. Taking the columns, 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus 1 minus 10 equals to minus 9. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4 equals to minus 13 plus 4 equals to minus 9. 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 equals to 0. Minus 9 equals to minus 9. In the diagonals, 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 equals to 1 minus 10 equals to minus 9. 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 equals to minus 9. This box is a magic square because all sums are equal. Next question. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Question number 1. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? Solution. Mohan gets marks for 4 correct questions equals to 4 into 5 equals to 20. He gets marks of 6 incorrect answer equals to 6 into minus 2 equals to minus 12. Therefore, total score of Mohan equals to 4 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2 equals to 20 minus 12 equals to 8. Thus, Mohan gets 8 marks in a class test. Next one. Center freeze process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Solution. Present room temperature equals to 40 degrees Celsius. Decreasing the temperature every hour equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Room temperature after 10 hours equals to 40 degrees Celsius plus 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius equals to 40 degrees Celsius minus degrees Celsius equals to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Thus, the room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degrees Celsius after the process begins. Class test. Plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks are given for not attempted any questions. Rika scores 20 marks if she has got 12 incorrect answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Solution. Marks given for 1 correct answer equals to 3. Marks given for 12 correct answer equals to 3 into 12 equals to 36. Radha scores 20 marks. Therefore, marks obtained for incorrect answer equals to 20 minus 36 equals to 16. Now, marks given for 1 incorrect answer equals to minus 2. Therefore, the number of incorrect answer equals to minus 16 divided by minus 3 equals to 8. Next question. Find the range of the height of any 10 students of your class. Name of the students: Aditi, Nikhil, Riya, Akshata, Abhishek, Rahul, Ayusha. Height in feet: 4.2, 4.5, 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.1, 4.7, 4.9, 4.5. Range equals to highest height minus lowest height equals to 5.3 minus 4.2 equals to 11.11 feet. Thank you.